I'm going to use the port for the livers and the giblets. Oh my God, I've just been focusing on you. Chucking my potatoes into my coq au vin.
Still have time to take it out.
Yeah, I do.
Now your mash will have an extra added flavour.
You've distracted me, Ruben.
Okay, I'll leave now.
I've decided to go with my gut, and I'm going to cook a whole chicken roasted as I would for my family, because that's my absolute favorite. Under the skin I put butter and thyme and rosemary. It's on a trivet of onions and lemon, and then we'll just pray that it cooks.
I'm looking forward to tasting your mom's special roast chicken and this Jerusalem artichokes with mash.
Bread is going to be a great accompaniment. I think you're going to be able to use it to mop up some of the juices. It kind of feels like it's necessary on the table, certainly with a nice chunky spatchcock piece of chicken. I need probably 35 minutes to get my chicken cooked, and I need to bake my bread first before I put the chicken in, because I'm not sure what's going to happen relative to if it's going to mess up the baking process. Whilst waiting for my bread to rise, I start preparing for the marinade for the chicken, which is soy, honey, ginger, chili, some red wine vinegar, some sesame oil. I'll get to a point where I'm happy, and then I marinate, leave the chicken to stand for probably 20-25 minutes. Take one piece of the bread out. I'm actually very happy with it. I have already put my chicken in. I'm making good progress because I was getting concerned that I'd rather have my chicken finished than cutting it fine right at the end. I also then start concerning myself around the hearts and liver, flambe that a bit, let the alcohol burn off. It was one of those things that came to me in the challenge rather than that's what I was going to do with them.
With some good wine here and some port.
Yeah, I'm going to use the port for the livers and the giblets. Oh my God, I've just been focusing on you. Chucking my potatoes into my coq au vin.
Still have time to take it out.
Yeah, I do.
Now your mash will have an extra added flavour.
You've distracted me, Ruben.
Okay, I'll leave now.
Hey, Penny?
I made a coq au vin with a bit of mash and green beans with almonds, although I'm not entirely happy with those.
I was kind of worried in terms of the timing. You need to be able to get that flavour out and extract all that flavour in a limited amount of time. I think you did a fantastic job. This little pate was genius, I think. I love the flavour. I love coq au vin. The sauce, it's got all that nice flavors. I can taste that sweetness of the leeks, that mash. That's how the French love it, lots of cream, lots of butter.
Yeah.
This is what coq au vin should taste like. Chicken is falling off the bone, and it's complemented by top quality mash.
Thanks, Penny.
Thank you very much.
Well done, Penny.
My grandmother, she'd definitely have a criticism or two, but I think she'd be quite chuffed.
My dish is roast chicken a la Robinson. I did a Jerusalem artichoke and potato mash. I needed to use the giblets, and I used them in the gravy. And I thought that with a mash, a gravy would be a nice accompaniment.
Guys, let's taste.
My problem with having to taste 9 chicken dishes back to back is that I don't get to eat half of this roast chicken on my own. This is what I was hoping for in this chicken challenge. Perfectly roasted chicken, beautiful sauce, mash, stuffing, glorious. Fantastic roast chicken.
I thought, cooking chicken one way would be the best solution. Spatchcock the chicken, and I pictured a sort of midday lunch outside, glass of wine, salad, nice piece of chicken, nice roll. Took the hearts, which I'd never eaten before, and a couple of the livers, so that went over the salad as well.
Well, let's tuck in. Give it a whirl. I think it tastes better than it looks, that's for sure. The plating you had on that platter, that should have been 2 platters. I think the chicken could have been a couple of minutes longer. You're in by a minute or two rather than comfortably. But it's tasty. I love that caramelized vibe that you've got going with the chicken. Yeah? Big, nice cold glass of wine. I could sit to lunch any day with this.
I love the salad. I don't mind it all mixed up, but it just didn't need to be on the plate. The chicken, on the other hand, I mean, it definitely works. I'm impressed by, you know, the bread that you've made. It's a bloody good bread as well. The hearts and the liver you used
salad. Yeah, dressing.
over the salad, yeah, that definitely worked.
Yeah.